Hey, Adam here with a simple and fast review of the Crosseagle brand digital voice recorder. Now, this is a 64GB version. There are various versions that are available. We're going to obviously open it up, take a look at it, show you what it's like, test it out, and then of course let you know whether or not it's worth buying.
All right, so getting it out of the box here. As you can see, it's really tiny, which is great. You don't want a gigantic recorder whenever possible. There are some ear, we'll call them earpieces, not earbuds necessarily, because it's headphones. This is, it looks like a USB, not C, it's the original for charging purposes and probably to get stuff off here. So looks like it's really simple and easy because it's going to be just, you know, record, play, stop. That's really what I want to focus on. I'm not going to go too deep into all the details. I do recommend that you read your manual to get all the details on how to operate this thing properly, and you know, the descriptions of all the main pieces here. So let me go ahead and get this thing charged up and ready to go. All right, so it actually was fully charged when I got it. So to turn it on, you'll see actually on the back here, you'll see all the kind of indicators of what the buttons are, which is a really nice feature, especially for people with short memories or that just can't really understand what the symbols are. So to turn it on, you're just going to hit that power button. You'll get your welcome menu, and real simply to hit record, you just press that, play, stop, pause, all that stuff. But I'm going to go through the menus. So again, you have a menu, you have up, down, and then this is also going to be your memory card area, just so you know. So you have your volume on the other side, your USB, your power. So I'm just going to go into the menu. So it turns out you do not actually need to press that button to go to the menu, you just press down or up. And so you'll find your recordings, your recording settings, which I'll enter by hitting that menu button, I hope. Or maybe it's the play button. There it is, the play button. So you can set your bit rate. I'm sure it's difficult to see, so I'll try and zoom in a little bit. So you have that. I'm gonna hit the stop button to go back. Yep. And then go down. Sorry. Time recordings, record subsection, monitor setting, gain, all these different selections. One of the things that you may want to look at is what type of recording that you have, because it does come as either a MP3 or a WAV, so you may just want to keep looking through those. Hit the stop button. System settings, backlight timer, language, disk space, sleeper timer, date time settings, passwords. So I'm not going to go through all of these, but I just wanted you to know that you can get a lot of different options here. System settings, music, recordings, so a lot of different choices there. All right, so let's just demonstrate the recording, and then I'm going to play it back. Please understand that you can also access your recordings from a computer, again, just using your USB plug-in. It'll be much cleaner quality than what you're going to hear back from this little speaker, but just understand the process. So once you hit record, you're going to have to wait a little bit. And as you can see, when you're speaking, it will kind of see your audio volume. So you can just kind of make those adjustments if you need to. But I'm going to go ahead and record for about 15 seconds here, then press stop. It is saved. So I now have one recording. I'm going to play it back. And as you can see, when you're speaking, it will kind of see your audio volume. So you can just kind of make those adjustments if you need to. But I'm going to go ahead and record for about 15 seconds here, then press stop. And as you can see, when you're speaking, And so it'll automatically loop. Now there's A/B settings to get through the looping and create an automatic loop if you've got like a 30-minute recording or something like that. And there's a ways to adjust the sensitivity of the recording so that it can record and pick up when you're actually speaking. So a lot of great functionality on this thing. Super convenient, super small, which is really, really cool. And to me, a ton of value. So hopefully you see the value in this. We're going to actually be using it to help record lectures and stuff like that in school. So whatever your use might be, whether it's work, whether it's school, tremendous, value in this little piece. And again, it's little, so it's not like you got to record, have this gigantic thing recording. So hope you saw the value. We think it's worth buying. Thanks for watching.